As Facebook nears in on 3 billion active users, it's obvious to anyone that this app is the most popular social network online today. With so many users though, you never know who might be looking at your profile. Facebook has done a lot to bolster your profile's privacy settings over the last few years, but you need to make sure you're taking advantage of the options hidden in your settings menu. If you're using a desktop browser, you'll need to head to the settings menu to get started. Log into your Facebook account, click on the arrow at the top right of the page, select Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Look for the Privacy tab on the left side of the screen to get a full list of options for controlling your privacy. On this page, you can control a ton of options, including who can view your future posts, pages you like and follow, who can send friend requests, and view your friends list. You can also set the visibility for personal information, including your email and phone number, and update if your profile can be found through search engines. Go through these settings one by one, and if you see something you don't like, just click on the blue edit button next to each option you want to change. Pick an option from the drop-down list to modify your information from public to something more secure, like friends or even just yourself. Generally, setting everything to friends should land you with a pretty secure account. If you're on the Facebook app, the process is basically the same. Just open the app on your phone, tap on the triple-lined icon in the top right on Android or bottom right on iOS, then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, locate and tap Privacy Settings for a full list of options available. Facebook's mobile app allows you to control everything that's also available on desktop, along with new options for changing who can view your stories. If you see a setting that you want to change, just tap on it and choose a different option from the list. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Facebook and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.